Lightning is the number 2 thunderstorm-related killer and can strike several miles away from a storm. Some safety tips to keep in mind with lightning are to keep clear of trees, power and telephone poles, and tall objects. If you hear thunder, you should move inside a strong building and remain in the shelter for 30 minutes after the last sound of thunder. Lightning strikes can start fires, and, given the right ingredients, if conditions are favorable, fires can grow and spread very rapidly. If someone gets struck by lightning, you should always call for help immediately. For more information, please visit our webpage at www.weather.gov/Phoenix for up-to-date information and the latest forecast products. As always, a NOAA weather radio is a great outlet to be alerted with the most recent watches, warnings, and advisories in your area. The Phoenix National Weather Service is on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, so check us out and like us to follow along.